Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi. Today I'm going to be showing you a very special, easy and a little bit different way to do the butterfly locks. So I did a video in the past. You can go through my description box. There's a link there to the previous video I did. So that I used a different method. So in this video I'm going to be using another method. I think this is easier and gets the job done in good time. So guys, enjoy this video. Do not forget to like and drop comments and subscribe guys. Thank you guys. Enjoy the video. So guys, for this style we're gonna start by protecting the natural hair by twisting down. So you start by braiding it. Usually you like part the hair into three equal parts and then braid for a little bit, and then you begin to twist. So because you already had like three equal parts, so you have to make them two if you're going to twist. So you can simply do that by moving one of the hair, by adding one of the hair to another one, just making it two. And then you twist like I just did. You twist one and then turn it, twist the other one and then turn it. This video is not about twisting. So guys, maybe I should make like a different video to show you how to twist if you are new to this, but I do hope that this helps. So basically you're going to be putting all the natural hair in a simple twist. So we are going to wrap up this twist. Basically that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be wrapping them up with the locks. So guys, stay tuned. So for this style, I'm going to be using two types of hair. Here I have the free tress water wave hair, free tress braids. So this is a 12 inches. So she's having the bob length, which is usually just above the shoulders. So 12 inches is perfect. So that's how the hair looks like. It's pretty soft and pretty curly. So but before I use it, I'm going to get it to be as kinky as it could be. And next I have this Jamaican twist braid. It's a form of Mali hair. I don't know if you guys know about Mali hair. You could use Mali hair or any other brand of kinky hair. And also for options to the free tress braids, you can use like any form of water wave hair. They have the Janet's brand. It's also pretty good. I can there's a Lulu twist as well. The Lulu Tress, yes, the Tress. So that is also a good brand. So now I'm cutting my kinky hair because that's quite long. I think it's like the 24 inches. So I'm just cutting it into two to make it short. So but if you can get like a 12 inches, then that would be perfect. So guys, as usual, you're just gonna use your crochet hook. So you're going to use your crochet hook to get the kinky hair under your braids. So now trying to measure your length is pretty key. Okay, so just make sure like the length is the same. Like when you put the hair underneath the braid, just make sure that you have like an equal length of hair down there. So now that is my water wave hair. So you just like take one small piece of hair and you see what I'm doing. So I mentioned earlier that I'm going to try and make it as kinky as it can be. So that is loosening up the curls, and I just did that. So again, using my crochet hook. So guys, if you want to find out how to loop in your crochet, you can go to my previous video. Again, the link is going to be in the description box. I already did a video showing how to do this, but in a different way. But there I explained how to loop in your crochet hook. So now you see what I'm doing. I am wrapping the hair pretty tight and close. So the first few wraps, about 3 to 4 wraps, should be like tight and close to just secure the roots. And then now I tucked my finger in. So you can see I wrapped the hair across my finger and then pulled it out then wrap again, and now I'm going to go again on my finger, see, like that. And you pull it out. Just make sure you have that loop pulled out a little, and then you wrap again, maybe twice, and then you tuck your finger in, you know, just like that. So you could wrap twice, you could wrap thrice, and then tuck your finger in. It could be once. So you know, it should just be random. It shouldn't be like a precise amount. So it should be random. That is what gives its look, because it's meant to be a little bit messy and still like precise. So that's basically how to do it. So guys, I'm going really slow here so you can see what I'm doing, and you can just like follow up with what I'm doing. I hope this is helping. So it gets a little tricky as you exhaust the hair. So you just hold it down and start using the other end of hair, like I have here, see? So when I looped it, I had two ends, so this would be the other end. So I really do not want to waste hair, and there's no point to add hair right now. So I'm simply using this to wrap it up. And you see what I just did there? I just made sure it's about the same length as the previous one, because you don't just want to have different lengths. So that's it. As you get to the end, you use your glue, nail glue to be precise. Any brand of nail glue is fine, and just seal it in. So some people prefer not to use nail glue, so some people could like just wrap it back up, whatever rocks your boat, guys. But using the nail glue works pretty well for me. And then I care so much about durability, so I want the hair to last for as long as my clients wants to have it in. So there you have it. So now I'm just gonna cut off the excess Mali hair. So what I have down there is the Mali hair. I'm just gonna use the scissors and cut it off, and there we have our second Locs. So guys, I'm simply going to be repeating the same process I did earlier. So I start by putting in my crochet hook, and then my hair, my kinky hair is next. So that's it. Again, making sure it's the same length, like both ends are like the same length, no one is longer than the other. And here I have my free tress hair, which I already made to look kinky. So for the free tress hair, I forgot to mention earlier, so I make sure that one end is the same length with the kinky hair, and then the other hair comes out longer. So you see, so one end is shorter, about the same length with the kinky hair, and then the other one is longer. And then I begin to wrap like I did before. So I'm going to be wrapping these about 3 times or 4 times, you know, just to secure the roots. And then I put in my finger, leave it out, and then wrap again. Guys, it's pretty easy. Just look closely, and I mean, if you don't get it the first time, it's okay. It's okay. So you just have to keep trying. How do they say that? Practice makes perfect. So I'm trying to go a little bit faster here, because I really slowed down in the first video I did. So now I'm trying to go a little bit faster, because I don't want the clients to sit in here forever. So like I did before, now I'm pulling out the other end of the hair, Now not the kinky hair, not the Mali hair, the other end of the free Tress hair. So I simply pulled it out and continued wrapping. So that's what it's looking like using. So this method is called the finger method. So some people say it's like pretty hard. If you think this is hard, so go to my previous video and see the other method I use, and then you can let me know which you think is easier. So I'm adding extra hair here. I just did because well, we want it to be about the same length as the other ones. So you're gonna keep wrapping until you feel like the length is appropriate enough. So when I think it's long enough, I simply use my nail glue again, seal it in, and cut off the extra hair, and that's it. So guys, the first half of it is all done. So let me know in this comment section if you like this method. So far, here is how it came out. And this is the full looks. Oh god, I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. See? So guys, you can let me know what you think, okay? Please drop comments and share these videos. Feel free to share these videos on your social media. And if you want to book this style or any other style, you can like follow me on social media. My Instagram is at glamwithmimiwalterz. I have it written out in my description box, and then I also have like the names of the hair I use written out in the description box as well. So do not forget to like and drop comments and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be making more videos like this, so just let me know if you enjoy them so I keep making them. Bye bye.